love it so much.
You love it so much. That's all I need. You can take another one.
Wow.
How is
Amazing.
you like it?
Really, really good. Wow.
Everything tastes so good. Wow. I love it.
I'm smelling it. Now I remember it.
Now you remember it?
Yeah.
Here.
Smell is 75% of taste. That's why.
Take one.
Thank you.
Can I take 1.5?
Half, it's okay.
Yay.
It's good.
I'm eating this one.
So tasty, right?
Very good.
Adam, what do you think about it? Good? Talk, why?
It's amazing.
You like it? I like the Ninja Grill more. Cook easier.
I love this so much.
You love it so much. That's all I need.
Hey! I'm stronger than you, I told you. What is this?
Probably like.
Please. Oh, this is just me record. Oh, look.
You can take another one. Mama done.
Wow.
How is it?
Amazing.
You like it?
Really good.
And Adam, you already tried it and you love it. Like, take so.
Yeah, so good. So good.
So good. So good.